So, trying another one. I half wonder if Snap and Crack received a phone call, and that was why I was on hold. The people using this technology are scarily believed of what they say. So when they call saying that they're the government, people believe them. This is sick. Snap and Crack is the one that didn't replace it.
This lock shop. Sorry, we are closed at this time.
Oh my
Our
God.
hours are Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m.
I had two double-sided cylinder locks, and they replaced one of them with a single side. And I've asked them to fix it, and they have not. Probably because they got instructions from the government not to. It's bullshit. They fucked up. All these people believing from a telephone call. That's the scary part. That's really scary. Believing from just a phone call. And doing whatever they say. Isn't that nuts? Ah. It's really sick.
Thank you for calling 844 Ohio Key, your trusted locksmith in Central Ohio. All calls are recorded for monitoring and training purposes. Please hold for our next available representative to assist you. Thank you. Thank you for calling 844 Ohio Key. We're sorry we missed your call. You can either text or leave a brief message with your name and number, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rem Milligan, and my phone number is 614-869-9706. I need a lock replaced with a double cylinder, please. I live in Clintonville, and I look forward to your phone call. Thank you. Goodbye.